Halika. Good morning sa inyo. Halika, si Vice Mayor. Anyway, hi guys. Good morning. Okay. I don't know if you saw it already. Oh, thank you.
Arya. Yariya mo na. Again, good morning. Juan, I think by this time, you know it already. Kung senior na yan. Ayos. Kumusta ka ba?
Sa McDo, magaling.
So anyway, by this time, you know it already that there is a program made and introduced by the President under the LGSF fund or local government support fund. And we were directed by Executive Secretary Ralph Recto to give rice assistance to Manileños. But I opted to give it to yung mga based on directive ni Presidente. Sabi niya yung mga taxpayer naman ang bigyan natin, mga nagtatrabaho, maibsan yung kanilang gastusin. Kaya I'm happy your organization, McDonald, when we called them and asked them how many McDonald crew all over Manila. And in a matter of few minutes, we were given numbers. So that's why we included you in the plan. And today, mararamdaman nyo na yung tulong ng pamahalaan nasyonal at lokal. This is not gonna happen today alone. It is going to happen in the rest 6 months. Yes, every other month, darating ito sa workplace ninyo. Kaya maglala, kita ninyo dito kami pumunta. At ito ay gagawin, sa matter of lang to, ceremonial, but ito ay gagawin kung saan yung workplace para hindi na madistorbo ang negosyo, hindi na madistorbo ang trabaho, yung assist, sabi nga, di ba, pagka gustong ibigay marami, exactly, that's the point of your city government of Manila. And we're happy that the other day, 16,000 on the first day. This is an 80,000 individuals or family works, lives in Manila and sectors. Pati yung mga tricycle natin at saka jeep, tatama sila ulit. Tatamaan ulit sila. So, this is our one way of cushioning o maramdaman ng tao yung umamang lang, gasusin mo, may matipid ka man lang. Kahit paano. Ang natulungan nito, would you imagine, mga magsasakang Pilipino. Because one of the directive is to acquire rice from our partner. Kaya pag tinignan namin ecosystem, yung buong ecosystem, umikot talaga yung pera. So I'm happy with the Vice Mayor here, Vice Mayor Chi, Tessa, to see you, to see that things are being implemented accordingly at suabe or smooth. So muli sa inyong lahat, galingan ninyo. Kasi naman ako, ang dami ko senior dito. Ang dami mo namang hinar, Marco. Nakakatuwa naman, nakaka-proud naman yung McDo. Kasi I'm happy kasi yung mga lolo't lola ko. Lalo na, kaya mo naman kung mga to, matitikas pa. Mukhang pangkalawit pa kung mga to. Abulin pa to ng chicks. But I'm happy really with them. I'm happy and proud to our partners, private sectors, fulfilling the dreams and aspiration of their city government, to give opportunity and to bring back to the society yung ating mga seniors. Be more productive again, and you know, kahit pa paano, at their age, may pumapasok ulit na salapi sa loob ng bahay. And ako na may tiwala sa kanila na kaya nilang gampanan yung tungkulin na ibinigay sa kanila sa kumpanya. But for now, this is the program, biyayang bigas para sa Maynila. At huwag kayo mag-aalala, huwag kayo mag-iisip kung taga-saan man kayo. Ang importante sa akin, yung negosyo, gumaang. Yung existence nila sa krisis na ito sa loob ng Maynila. Yung empleyado, gumaang. Ang katatayuan. Mahirap ang buhay. O maibsan man lang. O in economics, I call it cushioning the socio-economic impact of this crisis sa buhay. Yun yung approach. And kami nila Jay, at the Vice Mayor, may gagawin ulit naman na karagdagang programa. Patungkol pa rin sa krisis na ito. But for now, this is for our working class in the city of Manila. And we're very proud of you because of what you're doing to the companies that you serve. Give them growth. So kung kayo ay nagsisipag, nagiging eficiente, lalago ang negosyo. Pag lago ng negosyo, mas maraming negosyo mabubuksan. At yun, papasok yung pangunahing polisiya ng lungsod. MBN, Minimum Basic Needs. Housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. Jobs. And for us to create jobs and opportunity for the people of Manila, kailangan ng negosyo mag-survive sa crisis. If there is growth, thank you. But the very minimum, survive. Because, after the rain, there is a rainbow. Ang pag-angat naman ng negosyo ay malaking oportunidad para sa mamamayang sinasakop natin. At yung mga taong dumadako sa lungsod ng Maynila. At pag may trabaho, alam mo, to sum it all, mas panatag ang pamumuhay sa Maynila. Mas tahimik. Alam yan ng mga matatanda dito. They've been there. Been there, done that, sabi nga nila. So muli, magandang umaga sa inyo. Pwede ba ako mag-take out? Longganisa daw eh. Gusto niyo makin eh. Mag-take out ako mamaya. So, nabili na? Okay, na-take out na. Bilis kilos talaga mga taong gobyerno sa Maynila. Sinasabi ko pala, nabili na pala. Galaw-galaw. So mag-ingat kayo. Take care of yourself. Stay healthy. Baka mga lolo pala, kayo. Big 2 net may ngayon. Sobrang init ang panahon. Mag-iingat kayo. And I'm really proud na may hanap buhay kayo ulit. So magandang umaga at palayo nawa kayo. Thank you.
Ayan, maraming salamat Mayor Isko Asyudad ng Maynila for this Rise 8 program po. Alam po namin na sa taas ng bilihin ngayon, maraming mamamayan ang pwede po nitong matulungan. Ayan, thank you so much po. And ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to invite everyone to please be seated na po. And we are about to begin.